play and fetch his tags. E is for elephant like me, hooray! With floppy ears I stomp and play. F is for frog who hops all night. Ribbit, ribbit, what a sight! G is for giraffe, so tall and proud. She munches leaves above the crowd. H is for horse who gallops fast. Clippity-clop, he zooms right past. I is for guana, green and still. He loves to sun on a rocky hill. J is for jaguar, sneaky and bold. Spots on his coat and eyes of gold. K is for kangaroo, jump, jump, jump. With baby in pouch, she takes a bump. L is for lion, the jungle king. He roars so loud, the trees all swing. M is for monkey, swinging in trees. He eats bananas and loves to tease. N is for newt, so smooth and shy. He hides in leaves and winks his eye. O is for owl who hoots at night. She flaps her wings and takes a flight. P is for penguin in snow so bright. He waddles and slides, a chilly delight. U is for quail with a feathery hat. She walks in grass, pitter and pat. R is for rabbit with ears so long. He hops and hums a happy song. S is for snake who slithers slow. Sass he goes to and fro. T is for tiger with stripes so fine. He prowls the forest sleek and divine. U is for Uriel with curly horns. He climbs high hills and leaps at dawn. V is for vulture, flying up high, watching the world from the sky. W is for whale, the ocean song. She sings and swims her whole life long. X for X-ray, fish see through and cool. She glides in water like a shiny jewel. Y is for yak, so furry and stout.